Jay Shri Uday. So in last class we already discussed exercise 1.4 some problems and some other problems. See, next question number 8. Question number 8. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? Had to find out. Here 3 questions are there. You had to find out which pair of sets are disjoint. Disjoint ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Disjoint. Disjoint means what? Already told. Very important concept ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Disjoint set means what? If A intersection B is equals to pi, if A intersection B is equals to pi, then we can tell that A and B are disjoint. And so in order to prove the pair of sets are disjoint, we have to prove that A intersection B is equals to pi ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? So A intersection B calculate ಮಾಡಿ. So A, this is a intersection. Let us consider this one A, this one consider as a B. Okay, B is equals to. Let us answer. A intersection B is equals to. A intersection B is equals to calculate ಮಾಡಿ. A intersection B. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. Okay, good. Here x is that x is a natural number and natural number ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So it must be lies between 4 and 6 and including 4 and 6. 4 less than or equals to x, less than or equals to 6 is given now. That's why the set is 4, 5, 6. This is the set. 4 to 6. 4 in the 6 ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. So 4 to 6 we have to write. Okay. It must be a natural number and that condition should satisfy. So 4, 5, 6 I have to write. Okay na? So 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, 4, 5, 6 is there. What is the common element here? 1, 2, 3 is not there, 4, 5, 6. 4 is there. Common. So therefore A intersection B is equals to what? 4. A intersection B is equals to 4. So it is not equals to pi. Pi ಗೆ equal ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Pi ಗೆ equal ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So pi ಗೆ equal ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು empty set ಬರಲ್ಲ. So it is not equals to pi. That's why these are not disjoint sets. Okay, not disjoint sets ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Not first one answer not disjoint. Okay, not disjoint set. Not disjoint sets. Disjoint sets are first question not disjoint set. Next we'll move to the second question. First one consider as A is equals to first one. Okay, and second one consider as B is equals to, this is A and this is B. Calculate A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B equals to what? A, E, I, O, U. E is there. E common is there. So therefore E is the common element. E is the common element to both A and B sets. So therefore this is also not equals to pi. So pi agada nodi. This is not pi. Pi means what? Empty set now. So this is not empty set. Why? Because one element exists. One element exists agtade. Illu exist agtade. Illu exist agtade. This is not empty set. Empty set ಆದರೆ so if is equals to empty set means that condition in that condition only we will tell that disjoint set. Okay, if A intersection B is equals to pi, then we can tell that A and B are disjoint sets. Okay, so A intersection B is not equals to pi. That's why these are not disjoint sets. Not disjoint sets. Not disjoint sets. Okay. Next we will move to the third question. See, x is an even integer. Even integers means what? 2, 4, 6 and so on. Odd integers means what? Odd integers means what? Odd integers is an odd integers. Odd integers means what? See, even integers means what? 2, 4, 6. We are already told. Odd integers means x is an odd integer. Odd integers means what? 1, 3, 5 and so on. Okay. So there is no common element to both these. So consider, let us consider this one as A, this one as B. Okay. So if you calculate A intersection B calculate ಮಾಡಿ. A intersection B calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ see A intersection B if you calculate it means this value is pi, null set. Why? Because these two are different. 2, 4, 6 are different, 1, 3, 5 are different. So there is no common element between A and B. there is no common element between A and B. A go B go common element ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. That's why A intersection B is equals to pi. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So therefore A intersection B is equals to pi. So therefore these two are disjoint sets. Okay, this is the condition. This condition satisfies. That's why you can tell that A and B are disjoint. A and B are disjoint. And we are disjoint. Understood? And we are disjoint sets. Next we will move to the next concept. Disjoint means what is the condition? A intersection B is equals to pi. A intersection B is not equals to pi means they are not disjoint sets. Okay. So my dear students, next question number 9. A matrix A set is given like this. A set 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and B set 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Next C set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. D set 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. So here A, B, C, D sets are given. Next you have to find out these two things. Some other there, I will find that also. Okay. So A minus B already told in previous videos. Difference of two sets. So difference of two sets find ಮಾಡೋದು easy technique. See, I will tell. First write A set total. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus. Okay, minus. Write down B set. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay na? Like that we have to write. First A minus B. Okay na? Next step what to do means 4 is there, not there, limit. 8 is there, not there. 12 is there, cancel that one. 16, 20, 16 not there, 20 not there, limit. So okay, so only one element cancelled. So remaining elements in set, first set only had right. Remaining elements, what are the remaining elements? 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So this is the A minus B. Don't write remaining elements in B. So second set ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. So writing first set after cancelling. Cancel ಆಗಿರೋದು ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. Don't write the cancel. 12. Why? Because 12 is there in B. That's why cancel. Okay. So this is the answer. Understood or not? So you can direct ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we move to the A minus C. Okay. A minus C is what? See A minus C. A write down A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus. Okay. C means what? See here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. What is the answer? 2 not there, limit. 4 not there, limit. 6 is there, cancel. Okay, take one pencil. Don't do it with the pen. Okay, it will be cancelled. See, and 6, 8, 10 not there here, limit. 12, 14, 16. 12, 14, 16. 12 is there, cancel. 14, 16 not there, limit. Okay, all is over. So cancellation is over. Next, what is the remaining elements in first set? First set means this one, A. So what is the remaining elements? 3, 6 cancel, don't write. 9, 12 cancel, don't write. 15, 18, 20. Like that we have. Okay na? Next, A minus B. Write down A set first. 3, A set 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, minus. D set is what? D set D here is there. See, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, like that first we have to write. Okay, next. So here, what is there means? See, first set minus second set. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 is not there, 10 is not there, 15 is there. Cancel, cancel. 20, 20 not there. So cancellation is over. After cancellation, have to write the first set. After 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Like that you have to write. Yeah, this is the easy technique. Some students writing directly. They directly write. See, you can write directly also. So, you can directly write. Okay, if you understood well means we can directly write this answer 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. So, some students doing mistakes. Okay, in order to avoid that mistakes, I am telling this is the easy technique for you. Okay, so 1 minute just okay. Next we will move to the B minus A. Okay, B minus A. So write down first B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus A. A write down A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. So cancel. What are the cancellation elements? 3 not there. 6 not there. 9 from 15. 9 not there. 12 is there. Cancel. 15 not there. 18, 21. 18, 21 not there. So I have to write the first set. Yeah. So 4, 8, 12. Don't write 12. Why? Because cancel. Okay. 16, 20. So like that you have to calculate. Next we will move to the C minus A. Write down C set first. C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minus A. A means 3, 6. This one. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. Like that first you have to write. Next cancel. Cancel now. See how to cancel. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 6 is there. 3 is not there. 6 is there. 9 is not there. 12, 15, 18. 12 not there. 15 not there. 18 not there. 21 not there. So leave it. So 2, 4, 8. Don't write 6. 8, 10, 12. So this is the answer. Okay. Next we will move to the D minus A. D. Write down first D. D is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20 minus A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. Like that first you have to cancel it. Now cancel. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12 not there. 15 is there. Cancel 15. 18, 21 not. So what is the answer? 5, 10, 20. So this is the answer. 5, 10, 20. Okay. Next. Six questions are over. Next we will move to the next questions. Okay. Next, we will move to the next question. Question number 7. B minus C. So, how to write directly? I will tell you. Directly, I will tell you. So, some other problems. So, difficulty. If you face it, difficulty means write down the previous method. Okay. How to write directly? I will tell you. BC. So, take one pencil. So, this is B. Okay. B minus C. This one C. Okay, BC na, B first after C. Okay, 2 is there, 4 is there, so don't write 4. 8 is there, don't write 8. 4, 8, don't write. Next 12 is there, don't write. Okay. Next 16, 20, 16 is there, don't write. So 20 not there, so write down 20. Like that, directly you can write. Enough. B minus C 20. Okay, now first B there. Next B minus D, same B no. B minus D. Okay. 5 is there, not there. 10 not there. 15 not there. 20 is there. So don't write 20. Remaining all things write down. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. So by seeing only we can easily write. Okay. By seeing only you can write. So otherwise you are facing difficulty. No. So write down the sets and minus cancel and write. Okay. Next C minus B. C minus B. C is there. This one B. C minus B. See, this is the first set. This is the second. First. 4 is there. Cancel. Okay. 8 is there. Cancel. 12, 16, 20. 12, 16 cancel. 20 not there. Limit. So what are the cancellation elements after 4, 8, 12, 16 cancel? 2, 6, 10, 14. This is the answer. Okay na? So like that we have to calculate the answer. Okay na? So I will give homework for you. 3 questions. Same for this one. So what are the homework means? 10, 11, 12. So 3 homeworks I will give. Had to do and upload. Okay. So what are the questions means? 10th question, D minus B, C minus D, D minus C. So I had to do homework, 3 questions. Same sets you have to consider and you have to do these homeworks. Okay, my dear students. Homework part. Next we will move to the next question. Write down that homework. D minus B, C minus D, D minus C. Okay. See, next question. Very important question for the main examination. For test also. Very important question. Question number 10. If x is equals to A, B, C, D and y is equals to F, B, D, G and you have to calculate these things. X minus y minus x intersection y. Okay. So, x minus y calculate madam. See x, write down first x. A, B, C, D minus y F, B, D, G. Okay. Cancel it. F is there, leave it. Don't. B is there, cancel. B cancel. D is there, cancel. G is not there, leave it. Okay. What are the remaining elements? AC are the remaining. So this is the answer. A, C. Very easy. We'll get 1 mark. Next we'll move to the y minus x. Write down first y. F, B, D, G minus. F, B, D, G minus. Okay. X. A, B, C. A, B, C, D. Okay. Like that first you have to write. Okay now. Next cancel. A, B, C, D. A not there, leave it. B is there, cancel. C not there, D cancel. So what is the remaining elements? F and G. So this is the answer. F, G. Next we move to the x intersection 1. Next x intersection 1. You know intersection, how to calculate the intersection. You intersection calculate madadu yatara anta gottu niಮಗೆ. So intersection means what? Common element to both x and y. Now what is the common element? A not there, leave it. B is there, write down B. Okay. C not there, D is there. So write down D. So this is x intersection 1. So my dear friends, so ee ತರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here this is a very important question for the main examination. Okay. So when you are doing the subtraction or difference, write down these sets like this and cancel. It will be very easy for you. Otherwise it will make some difficult for some students. Okay, that's why. Okay. Next we will move to the next question. See, next we will move to the next question called 11. If R is a set of real numbers, let us consider already told if R is a set of real numbers. Okay, and Q is a set of rational numbers. R is a set of real numbers, Q is a set of rational numbers. Then what is R minus Q? So answer. So R minus Q is equals to, very easy. So real numbers had to real numbers minus rational numbers. What is the numbers? Real numbers all rational numbers ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Irrational numbers. That is very easy. So therefore set of irrational numbers. Okay. Therefore see, set of irrational numbers. So real numbers ಒಳಗೆ rational numbers ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Set of irrational numbers. This is very easy. So this is also one of the important question for the 1 mark question. Okay, please learn these things. Next we will move to the next question number 12. See, next question. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. You have to find out whether it is true or false. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Okay. So I have to give the certain reason why it is true, why it is false. Okay. See, first question. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. Okay. Before going to decide whether it is true or false, ಇದು true or false ಅಂತ decide ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ first you have to know what is disjoint sets. Already told so many times. Disjoint set means what? Intersection part. Its intersection part is equals to pi means disjoint, otherwise it is not disjoint. Okay. Calculate the intersection. Let us consider this one A, this one B. A intersection B. Common element is that 3 is there now and 6 is not there. Leave it. So one element exists ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So A intersection B okay not equals to pi ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. A intersection B not equals to pi ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So therefore they are not disjoint sets. But what is given are disjoint ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So true or false ಆಯ್ತು. What is true or false? This is false. Why? Because this is A intersection B is not equals to pi. These are not disjoint sets. That's why it is false. First one is false. What is the reason? Means this one is the reason. A intersection B is not equals to pi. These are disjoint, not disjoint sets. Okay. Next we will move to the next question number A, second 2. Question number 2. A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C are disjoint sets. Again same question. Okay. Disjoint sets ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So here this is also false. Why? Because see, let us consider this one A and this one B. Here A intersection B is equals to what? See, A is there. Okay, good. A, E, I, O, U not there. So E is not equals to pi. A intersection B is not equals to pi means what? They are not disjoint set. But what is given? Disjoint set given. So therefore this is also false. Why? Because here its intersection part is equals to not equals to pi. Understood or not? So this is also false. First one, second one also false. Next we will move to the third, fourth. See next third question. 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. Okay. So see there is no common element. 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14 is not there. See. So there is no. So therefore A intersection this is considered as A. This is considered as B. Okay. If you consider like this, A intersection B equals to what? Pi. So therefore these are disjoint sets. So therefore what is true or false? It is true. Why? Because these are disjoint sets. Very. So not there is no common element. Next we move to the fourth one. 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11. Okay, 2 not there, 6 not there, 10 not there. See, there is no common element between this set and this set. So therefore these are disjoint sets. So therefore this is also true. So what is disjoint? A intersection B is equals to pi. Pi are disjoint. So A intersection is equal to pi ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So therefore these are disjoint sets. So what is the reason? A intersection B is equals to pi. Write down this reason. Okay. So therefore this is true, this is also true, this is also true. First one and second one is false. Okay na? So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. So subscribe symbol ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ red color ಒಳಗೆ. Okay, so if you subscribe, if you click that one means you will subscribe. If you subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you subscribe once to my channel means automatically it will comes when you on the YouTube means automatic ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, and share to your friends and colleagues also. Okay, and your best wishes. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, if you have any doubt please call to me. If you have any doubt please call to me, otherwise through WhatsApp you communicate. Okay, thank you.